Hey everyone, welcome back to Design DOTD. In today's video, I am going to create a Haldi ceremony card using the Canva application. So first I tried to find a bride for Haldi ceremony, but it was a bride for Mehendi. So I'm just applying some stains and splash on that so it can have a vibe of Haldi bride. You can find these element on Canva. Just putting some words like splash, stains, haldi splash, and after that you can change the color of that splash. I'm applying some splash on face, cheeks, hand and foot. Last but not least, don't forget to group them. This is the background which I am using for this card. Especially Haldi ceremony happened in a spacious place, so I am choosing this background. 90% of the card vibe set by a background, so choose it wisely. The video link on the top and description as well, where you can see how to create background in Photoshop. So definitely check that please. So make it unique, replace the simple curtain with some refreshing flowers. I'm using this matka standee for background. Some construction work is going in my house, so that is why that sound come. To give your card that authentic touch of haldi, use some haldi inspired element, like I'm using this lotus. Use this lotus and use the position tool to center align the bride and lotus and groom and lotus as well. Where we have option of center align, left align, so I'm using the option center align. We have some videos in wedding invitation playlist where you can see how to create background, how to create the flowers and bride and groom vectors. So check that playlist, it will help you. It is very easy process. They have generally 3 or 5 minute videos. So now I'm using this name tag. So add the event detail like name, date, venue, and any other information relating to the event. So I'm using these fonts and you can change the color, like for haldi you can use yellow color and for other details we are using white. For a refreshing vibe, I'm adding some flower pots and plants as well. So it can have some refreshing and new kind of a vibe. So I'm adding the flowers and plant. It always help in a card where you don't have any idea. You can add some flowers and plants for filling the card. Images and I remove the background. For quality background remover, don't use these website. For without, if you use that website, they always have some corner and edges left. So I'm suggesting a link on the top and description where I said a process of removing the background in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was helping, and thank you for watching and happy designing.